So hello everyone and welcome to today's lead code daily challenge, that is detect capital. So basically we have been given a string and we have to say whether the usage of capitals is right or not. So what do you mean by usage of capital being right? The usage of capital being right has three possibilities. If the string starts with the small letter, that is a lowercase letter, then all the other characters in the string should be lowercase only. Second, if the first letter is a capital letter, then there can be two possibilities. One, that all the other letters are capital, that if you see USA, so all are capital. Else, if the first letter is capital, then the other all the other characters has to be small. So, we have to follow either of these three possibilities. So as you can see this flag, now here the first letter is capital, so we expect either all the other characters are small or all the other characters are capital itself. But here if you see, some are small and one is big, so this is not allowed. That's why we have written the false. So simply what do we do? First of all, we check the first and the second character. Now so first character is get by word.char at. Actually we take the ASCII value. So if you know the ASCII value, this is my solution. So the ASCII value of a small letter is between 97 to 122, and the ASCII value of a big character, that is a large case character, is between 65 to 90. So if so I will store the ASCII values of the first character and the second character. Now there will be two left and right. This has to be the range which will be used for the all the characters from I equal to 1. Now coming to the first part. Now if the first is greater than or equal to 97, that is the first character is a lowercase letter. So if the first character was a lowercase letter, then only one possibility is remaining, that all the other characters has to be small. So of course the range for the all the other characters will be between 97 to 122. That is all the other characters will be small. Now if the first character is not greater than or equal to 97, that is the first character is a big character, right? So if the first character is a big character and the second character is a small character, that is greater than or equal to 97. So now first is big, second is small. So of course all the other characters has to be small, according as you can see Google over here. So now the last part, if the first character is big and second character is also big, that is second character is less than 97, so that is the first and the second both are big. So that means this would be our example, that is all the other characters has to be big. So for them the ASCII range will be between 65 to 90. Now simply what do? We will get the left and right for all each cases, and then we will from I equal to 1, right? So for I equal to 1 we will check and not the first character. We will see all the ASCII values, and if the ASCII values lies between the left and the right, so so if it lies between the left and right, so okay. But if it is either less than left or greater than right, that is if it does not fall in that particular range, then we will return a false, or else at the end we will return a true. So now let me explain you using whiteboard. So I've pasted the code over here, and let's take an example of capital USA. So if you see the first now if the word dot length is equal to 0 or 1, that is the if the characters in in the string is only 0, that is a null string, or only a single character string, so we will simply return a true. Now we will take out the ASCII for the first value. So the first value, that is for the first character capital U, we have ASCII as 85, while for capital S we have a ASCII of 83. So okay, so now we will check the condition. Now first is greater than equal to 97. No, so first is not greater than equal to 97. So now else we come into else part. Now is the second greater than equal to 97, that is the second small letter? No. So now the third part, so simply we now all the other letters has to be large case. So now left will be equal to 65, and the right will be equal to 90. So now what we will do, second thing is that we will go into the for loop, and we will iterate to the first character to the end character, and we will see if it lies between this range. So s lies into this range, so 83 lies, so okay, it is a true. So we will continue. A has ASCII value as a 65, so also this also lies. So at the end we will simply return a true. Okay, here return true will be there. Now we will take another example. So here we have a second example. Here we have FL capital A G. Okay. So now the first character has an ASCII value as it is a small f. So it will be 102. And for the second one, we have a 108 as the ASCII value of small l. Okay. So now since the first is greater than or equal to 97, so we already have a range as left equal to 97 and right will be equal to 122. So we have the range, so we will simply iterate through the loop from I equal to 1. So L value has 108, so it lies between 97 and 122. So we continue. Now we have a capital A. Now capital A has a ASCII as 65. Now this is less than left, so it does not lie, so we will return a false from here. That's why this is in a invalid usage of capital as given in the question. So this is the code which I just used, and what we will do is we will now submit it. So mind that we will also return a true at the end. So we will just submit it now, and it is getting submitted. So I hope you liked the video. It was a simple one, and thank you for being with me. Do like and share and subscribe our channel, and do also let me know your feedback regarding how I can improve my video. Thank you very much.